Hello everyone, welcome to OBS Studio Tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you set up an OBS Studio Virtual Camera to display any of the inputs and outputs to the devices, the external softwares like Zoom, Google Meet, etc. So in this video we have a Google Meet that we are ready to join, but if you see, the camera is showing as camera failed. So if I just turn on my camera, right now it's turned off. If I just try to turn it on, it won't turn on, and it is showing me the result as camera failed. So for this particular case, what we are done is we have set up an OBS Studio Virtual Camera, and that is why it is happening. If I just go back to my meeting, and here in the video capture input, I just select it as OBS Virtual Camera, then you can see the camera failed message has gone and my camera is now open. Right, so how do I do this? So let me just switch it to integrated webcam, go back to OBS Studio, stop the virtual camera over here, and actually just delete the video capture device, right? So now the settings are by default. If I just go back to Zoom, right now if I just refresh it, then you will see that this integrated webcam is working fine. Okay, but you do not want the result, the output, to be shown directly from the integrated webcam into any of the softwares. You want to use the OBS Studio Virtual Camera setup. So how do you do that? Go to OBS Studio, create a profile and a scene collection. In the scene, add the camera output or the camera input. Just go to the video capture device in the sources and just let me just rename it as a camera. Click on OK. So select the output, that is the integrated webcam. Let me just close this meeting for now. So that's going to be custom and the resolution is going to be this. So now my video is getting captured. Okay, click on OK. Now this is my output that I'm going to project. So once you're happy with your output, then what you gotta do is just select on start virtual camera. Once this virtual camera is started, and you go back to the meeting. So I go back to this meeting link that I have created. Now what you see is it's going to take a few seconds. Camera is starting. Right now it is by default selected to integrated webcam, and that is starting, and that has failed. So what I do is I just change the source to an OBS virtual camera. So now the camera is starting, and with this I can just join the meeting. If I want, I can just change the settings over here. Suppose I want it to be shown over here. Now if I just go, then you will see that my camera is actually showing some of the blank screens and only this output is showing in my camera. So this is how I can change the output directly from my OBS Studio, that what output is getting displayed over there. If I want, I can just put it in the middle like this, something like this, not exactly in the middle but close. Then here you can see my output has been changed. Now if you click on this join now meeting, then what happens is your meeting is joined like this and your camera is showing over here. Now if you want to show some other things, you want to show suppose an image, so you can just go back to your OBS Studio, just click on image and add an image to this particular view itself. So let me just add a sample image just to show you like this. Okay, so this is what I want my image to be. Again, if you go back to your meeting, then you will see in your camera itself this image is shown. Just like this, you can add as many sources as you want. You can add multiple images, you can add multiple video capture devices, you can add multiple screens just to show them all at once through your camera using the OBS Studio Virtual Camera. And that is actually the benefit of using the OBS Studio Virtual Camera. It gives you the freedom to show multiple outputs. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.